Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing a Squid Games guard. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the shape of the face with an oval. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw two curves across the center. Now in the top section, let's draw a large triangle. And then another one inside. Now let's hop into the bottom section of the face and let's draw two lines down in the center. And then another one next to it on both sides. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and let's draw the hood. Let's start with the curve across at the top. Now from both ends, let's curve it down. And then curve it back in underneath, meeting in the center. Now inside at the bottom, let's draw two lines down for the zipper. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop down and let's draw the body. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw a curve out and down for the shoulders. Now let's hop in and let's draw two curves down for the sides of the body. And then a curve across. Now inside the body here, let's add some details. Let's draw two lines down the center for the zipper. And now on the right side, let's draw a square for the pocket. Add a line across inside at the top, and then add a small circle. Next, let's move down and let's draw the belt. From the sides, let's draw a small line down. And then another curve across underneath. Now inside the belt, let's draw two lines down on the left and two on the right. Now before we draw the arms, we're going to draw the pants. Let's leave a gap and let's draw a curve across in the center. And then two lines down on top to continue the zipper. Next, let's hop to the sides and let's draw a long angle out and then bring it in at the bottom. And the same thing in the center. Now underneath each of the legs, let's draw a bent line out and back in on both sides. And then a curve across. Now let's hop inside the pants and let's draw the pockets. On both sides, let's draw a rectangle shape. And then let's add a line across inside. And to finish off the pants, let's move to the bottom and let's draw two lines down underneath each leg. And a curve across. And that's it for the legs. Now let's hop back up and let's draw the arms. Let's start underneath the shoulders and let's angle it down and bring it in. Now top up from the bottom and let's angle it out and in again. And then curve it back in towards the belt. Next, underneath each of the arms, let's draw 2 lines down. And then a curve across. Now for the hands, let's draw a curve down and back up for the thumbs. An angle on the outside. And then curve it in and back up like this. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's hop to the bottom and let's draw the shoes. Let's start with a line down in the center. And then a small angle out from the outside. Now from the inside line, let's curve it out. And then a curve back up and in for the toe of the shoe. And then add one more angle inside on top. Now underneath, let's draw the soles. Let's draw a line down from the front and back. And then one more curve across. And that's it for the Squid Games guard. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!